Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell P2P on Bitget. Alright, so first up, open up the Bitget Exchange app and then just swipe right. And then you will have P2P. Okay, tap on it. Now again, P2P right here. Tap on sell. Sell what? Okay. Now, for example, you wanted to sell Ethereum. Tap on Ethereum. And then here, select the currency. Okay, that you use. Okay, for example, Australian dollars right here. Let's just go ahead and tap on it. And then go ahead and select the payment method that you prefer. Okay, as you can see here, we have Wise, RTM, cash deposits, bank transfer. Let's say bank transfer. Hit on confirm. And here are the available buyers, okay, where you can sell your Ethereum. And do not forget about the limit right here, because buyers have their own limits. Okay. For example, right here, we have 15 Australian dollars. Okay, so if you want this one, just tap on sell so that you can sell your Ethereum. Enter the amount, select the payment method or payout method. As you can see here, we have bank transfer, tap on it. Now enter your bank name, IBAN, bank branch, and card, hit on confirm. And lastly, tap on sell. Okay, just basically read the advertiser's terms right here. And as you can see here, this guy says, instant AUD, I don't use third party, neither should you. Okay, so hit on sell, and after that, wait for the amount of money to reflect your banking. And that's basically it. That's how you sell P2P on Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.